leaders are now weighing reforms that could reshape the identity and structure of SACCOs. Cooperative leaders are meeting to deliberate on ways to transform the sector amid sweeping legislative reforms that could redefine how savings and credit societies operate, compete, and govern themselves over the coming decades.
Two proposals will be harmonized, and we believe that after they have been harmonized, the relevant committees in Parliament will come back to the cooperative leaders for public participation so that the cooperative leaders and the cooperative members can give their views on these far-reaching reforms that have been proposed. The purpose of these reforms is to strengthen the cooperative movement, to give better service to our members and for sustainability to the future.
How safe or how can we make sure there's more confidence in the SACCOs? Because we are getting a lot of deposits and people have saved in billions. How safe is their money in the SACCO? So we are saying a DGF or a deposit guarantee fund is a good tool, which SACCOs need to put in place so that just in case there's a collapse of a SACCO somewhere, the members who saved in that SACCO should not be at a loss.
Now, Somali families do so well in businesses, but